IndyCar's second weekend to start the season takes them to St. Petersburg, Florida for the first street race of 2021. The opening 45-minute practice session on Friday afternoon. A duo of Andretti Autosport drivers with a strong showing. Alexander Rossi and Colton Herta both running up near the front of the pack in the session. Pato O'Ward started on pole and finished fourth place last weekend. The 21-year-old is hoping to continue that momentum with another strong showing this weekend in St. Pete. He put together a top 10 on Friday. Jimmy Johnson getting his first dose of an IndyCar street course. Johnson finished 19th place in Alabama's race last Sunday. His times keep improving as the laps add up for the IndyCar rookie. Things were super tight on Friday. The top 15 cars were within a half second of the top. That should make for a very exciting qualifying run on Saturday afternoon. It was a pair of Team Penske drivers leading the way. Joseph Newgarden and Will Power within a hundredth of a second of each other. Herta and Rossi next, with Simon Pagenaud and Scott Dixon rounding out the quick six for Friday. They'll have another practice on Saturday morning. The qualifying session goes tomorrow afternoon, and the race will go green just after 12 noon on Sunday. Brad Brown, WR TV Sports.